Hello, good afternoon to you. This is a video about data structures and algorithms. The system for the academic register that we're supposed to design. Concerning my previous group mate that has already discussed the code, me I'm going to take you through the menu. So to go through this, let's first dive into code blocks direct. This is our code. I'm Mugenyi Alan from Group 4. So this is our code. I won't take you through the code because that has already been done by the former group mate. So I'll come here. I first of all build this code. Then after building, then I'll run the code. So when the academic register runs this code, of course it will bring a kind of a menu. And on that menu, we shall have add student as option one, list all students, update student as you can see. Then we are going to select all the options slowly as we traverse through and see what happens in every option. So we begin with the first one. If I want to add a student, I'll come to option one. I guess you all see option one here. So I select one, I press enter. When I press enter, they will ask me for the student name. Uh, for this case, let me use Alan. For simplicity of application and working out, let's first use one name. So I'll enter the name as Alan. Then they ask me for date of birth, but the format is year, month, and day. So for example, assume you were born in maybe 2000. Then I put the month maybe December. I put the month maybe say the day. Assume it's 14th. So I press enter. Now they ask me for enter registration number, and the system is limiting you to only 6 digits. So make it a note that you enter only 6 digits. Otherwise, you shall have an error when you try to print the students. So registration number, for example, I can say 2300708. So for example, those ones are already. Let's take 6 digits as our system is telling us. So I search, I enter. Okay, let's make it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that we can easily remember. Then enter program code. I can say maybe 1111. So assume that's my program code. I enter. Then annual tuition, of course, maybe assume we are paying 100,000 shillings. Okay, that's okay, 600,000. I enter. So they will inform me that student has been added successfully. Now, of course, we shall need to see if we have some students that have been added. For now, let's try to add another student. And now, here I'm going to be first. Maybe I say Allen. Okay. Date of birth, maybe 2020. Okay. 2001. Then maybe 12. Then this is 14. Okay. Registration number is, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then I press enter program code. Maybe I use 2222. Then enter annual tuition. For example, I can say 700,000. I enter. So also they're adding these students successfully. So if I want to list out all the students that have been enrolled, I can put option 2. Then they'll bring for me one. This is Alan. This is Allen. They bring date of birth, registration number. Then they bring program code, tuition, and then the rest. So if we come down here, if you want to update student, they tell me the registration number of the student you want to update. So I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now for this case, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1, 1. This is made entirely to select this. So I say 1, 2. Okay. This is, I can say enter a choice. I want to update a student 3. So I enter registration number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then they ask me to enter the new name. When I enter the new name, I can say when, okay. Then date of birth, I can still say 2014. Then maybe 03. Then I put maybe 02. So I put this enter new registration number. I can say 78965, okay, 4. Then this enter new program code. I say maybe 4567, and then annotation maybe 500,000. So if I want to list all students now to see if you have actually updated the info, I'll click to. Then instead of Alan, we shall have Wang, as you can see here. I think that one so far we are good to go. Then if I want to delete student, of course maybe I press option 4. Then I say enter registration number of the student you want to delete. So if I want to delete the one of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 2, 2, okay, I enter it. Then student record deleted successfully. So I can, meanwhile, if I want to list all the students, to see how many we have. If I enter, they only show us Owen because they have deleted Allen. So the next thing we can do is search student by registration number. I enter 5. So they enter registration number to search student. Whether 7, 8, let's use that. 9, 6, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter. Then of course they bring the name, when, date of birth, this registration number, the program, and the tuition. Okay. Then maybe if I want to sort students, option 6 here. To sort, I'll press, if you go back, sorry for that. If you press option 6, then we are sorting by name. For example, if we are to sort students by name, for example, let me first add in another student. For example, one, I add in, let me put in Alan again. Then date of birth is 2012, 04, then 4th. So when I enter this, I'm putting a random registration number, this, then program code, then annotation, okay. Then that one has been added successfully. I can still add another student. For example, let me say my Milen, okay. Then date of birth is maybe 1999. Then this is 5th, 6th, but this is 14th. Okay. Registration number, I can put anything here. Then program code, I can put 4567. Then tuition is 89 this. Then so whatever I have there, if I want to bring back all the students, so far we have 3 students. Now if I want to sort them, I will press option 6. So now I press option 6, the students are going to be sorted by name. Then here we shall have exporting students to CSV, of course. When I press 7, they will need to export this, and we shall see data exported successfully to students.csv. And then that's all we can talk about this. I can say it's a functioning program, as you see in whatever we have done. Hope it works out. Then to exit, of course, option 8. And then thank you for listening. Thank you very much.